niyotte or niyoru. Niyotte or niyoru is just had the meaning that by means of or due to or owing to or because of or something. In here, when you use the grammar of niyoru, niyotte or niyoru, it means that you can use with the noun. That means you have to start by your noun, and after that you can say niyotte or niyori or niyoru. Just depend to you. So it just had the same meaning, niyotte or niyori or niyoru. It just had the same meaning that by means of due to or owing to or because of that or something. So because of that, after of that, you put your noun to, right? So by means of your noun, right? So when you use it had the same meaning. So don't be confused. But case by case, it's quite when you use yotte or yori or yoru. Just depend to the situation that happened and what you want to say about. So you have to learn more about Japanese so you will understand when you use yoru, yori or yotte, but it just had the same meaning. So to make more understand, let's go to see some example together. The first example in here, they say, それは場合による。それは場合による。That means that depends on the situation. That depends on the situation. The next example. 人によって考え方が違う。人によって考え方が違う。That means everyone has a different way of thinking. Everyone has a different way of thinking. In here for the first sentence, you see that it just say niyoru, right? それは場合による. That means depend on the situation or case by case. So the second sentence you see at here, our noun in here is hito. Hito is mean people, right? People, but you say everyone, right? 人によって考え方が違う That means everyone has a different way of thinking. 人によって is mean people, according to the people, right? 考え方 is thinking, right? Way of thinking. 違う is mean different. So if we translate to be the correct sentence, we can say everyone has a different way of thinking. The next example. 大雪によって電車は2時間以上も遅れました。大雪によって電車は2時間以上も遅れました。That means due to the heavy snow, the train was more than 2 hours late. Due to the heavy snow, the train was more than 2 hours late. The next example. その薬品は人によっては強い副作用が起こる。その薬品は人によっては強い副作用が起こる。Which means that medicine has strong side effects depending on the person. That medicine has strong side effects depending on the person. And for this first sentence, we see that they say all yuki ni yotte is mean due to the heavy snow. All yuki is mean snow, right? But we say all yuki is mean heavy snow. So they say in this sentence, you can say due to the heavy snow, right? So after that, you start by new sentence. In here, on this sentence is you explain about what happened if the heavy snow happened. They say 電車は2時間以上も遅れました。This means the train was more than 2 hours late. And for the second sentence in our now in here they say 人によって right? Just like the last moment that we already studied. その薬品は人によっては強い副作用が起こる。人 is mean people, によって is mean depend to the people, right? Depend to the person. You can say something like this. And 強い副作用 is mean strong side effects depending, right? So to translate to be the correctly, they can say that medicine has strong side effects depending on the person, on the people or on the person. It just has the same meaning. Thank you very much for watching my video clip. And please help me subscribe my channel if you haven't. I hope to see you about learning Japanese grammar in the next video clip. Thank you very much. ありがとうございました。